Okay. Now see, so calculation of center of mass by another concept which is called as mass moment. Okay. What is meant by mass moment, Sima? Consider this is some reference which I have taken, or consider this is the center of mass of a system, or any reference, Understood, no? So from this reference, a body of mass m is present at a distance of r. Then what is the mass moment of that particular mass from the reference? Mass moment is product of mass of the body and the distance of that mass from the reference. Understood, no? Product of mass and the distance from the reference is called as mass moment. Understood, no? Product of mass and distance. Now let us see. So if I take a two-particle system, consider this is a body of mass m1 and this is a body of mass m2. Understood, no? So where center of mass will be present, ma? Center of mass must be present on the line which is joining these two masses. Understood, no? So consider center of mass is present somewhere here. Okay. Now what I do is we take center of mass position to be our reference. Now which one I am taking to be my reference, ma? Center of mass only I am taking to be my reference. Previously we have taken mass m1 as our reference, mass m2 as our reference. Clear? Now what we are taking as our reference? Center of mass only we are taking as the reference. So center of mass is present somewhere here. Okay. So from here, this distance, let us call it as x1 or x1 dash. This distance I will call it as x2 dash. Okay. Now which is my reference? Center of mass itself is the reference. Are you able to understand? Now let us write the equation again for x center of mass. So x center of mass is equals to m1 x1 dash plus m2 x2 dash divided by m1 plus m2. Are you able to understand now? Now what is the difference between previous conditions and these conditions? Center of mass position itself I am taking to be my reference. Understood, no? Okay. Now see. Now can you say x center of mass is how much? X cm dash is how much from the reference? అది ఆల్రెడీ రాసినాక సుబ్బక్క ఇదంతా x center of mass dash is 0. Why it is 0? Because x center of mass means this position only, no? And that is the reference also. So from the reference, center of mass is present at how much distance? How much distance? 0 distance, because that is the reference also, no? Center of mass itself is the reference here. So x center of mass, position of center of mass will become 0. Understood, no? Okay. So mass of first body, which one is? This is the first body, m1. Okay, ma? So what is this distance from the center of mass? x2 dash. So minus x2. Clear, no? Mass of second body, m2. So what is its distance from the center of mass? m2 distance from the center of mass, x1 plus x1 or minus x1? Plus x1 divided by total mass is m1 plus m2. Understood, no? So m1 and m2, if you multiply by 0, what you will get? 0 only. So therefore I will get 0 is equals to minus m1 x2 plus minus m. This one I have taken x2 now. Let us do one thing. Let us take this distance is x1 and this distance is x2. That is better. So this is minus x1. This one is x2. Clear now? So minus m1 x1 plus m2 x2. So therefore what I will get? I will get m1 x1 is equals to m2 x2. This is what I will get. Understood now? Or if you want to write in the form of vectors, how can I write? I can write 0 is equals to m1 x1 dash plus m2 x2 dash divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 into 0 will become m1 m2, 0. So therefore I will write m1 x1 dash plus m2 x2 dash is equals to 0. I can write equation like this also. So this is in the form of vectors, this is in the form of scalars. Understood, no? Now can you say by scalars what do you understand? What is the result I got here and what is the result I got there? Can you say? ఇక్కడేం వచ్చింది అక్కడేం వచ్చింది చెప్పండి. m1 x1. What is m1 x1? Mass of first body multiplied by distance of first body from the reference. This is nothing but a mass moment of first body. What is mass moment? Mass multiplied by distance. So this is mass moment of first body, no? What is m2 x2? Mass moment of second body. So if you take a center of mass to be your reference, then mass moment of first body and mass moment of second body, they should be equal. That is what I will. And if I take in the form of vectors, sum of mass moments should be 0. That is what I get. If you add all the mass moments from the center of mass, then total should be how much? Total should be 0. Are you able to understand what we are doing? So solving problems with the help of mass moments will become very, 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 very easy if you can understand this concept carefully. Understood? No? So in the form of scalars, what I will write? Mass moment of first body is equal to mass moment of second body. But this is satisfied in which condition, ma? This is satisfied only if I take center of mass to be my reference. Which is my reference? Center of mass itself is my reference. Then all mass moment of first body and mass moment of second body, they should be equal. Okay. And in vectors, what I can write? Here I can write that. So sum of all mass moments should be how much? Should be 0. Understood, no? Sum of all mass moments should be 0. Are you able to understand concept of mass moments? That's it. Very simple concept. Okay. Now see. So therefore, from this equation, if I have written in the form of scalars, what I got? I got m1 x1 is equal to m2 x2. This is what I got now. Clear? So therefore, can I say m1 divided by m2 is equals to x2 divided by x1? Can I say like this? m1 by m2 is equals to x2 divided by x1. What do you understand from this relation? Or what do you understand from this relation? ఈ రెండు రిలేషన్స్ చూస్తే మీకు ఏమన్నా అర్థమవుతుందా? ఏం సార్ ఇట్లాంటి క్వశ్చన్లు అడుగుతారు? మా ఫేసులకి ఏంది అర్థం కావటం? చిచ్చే, వీ నెవర్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఏదో మీరు చెప్తే నోట్స్ రాసుకుంటాం కానీ. Distance, very good. That is the point which we understand. Sima. Product of, Sima here, what is meant by m1? m1 is the mass of first body, no? x1 is the distance of first body from the reference. Clear, no? m2, mass of second body. x2 is the distance of second body from the reference. So mass moments are equal means if m1 should be greater, x1 should be lesser. That's all, no? If m1 is a very big mass, then distance should be smaller. Why? Why? Then only mass moments they will become equal, no? Understood, no? Similarly, if m1 is very big, m2 should be smaller, x2 should be bigger. Understood, no? So therefore, center of mass will be closer to which body? Center of mass will be closer to heavier body because x1 is lesser, no? Are you able to understand, ma? Sima, consider this is m1, consider this is m2. Consider this is a 10 kg body, consider this is a 5 kg body. Center of mass must lie on this line, no, ma? And it will be closer to which body? Closer to 10 kg body. It will be somewhere here. So it means this distance x1, this distance is x2. So definitely x1 is less than x2. No? That's what here I can say. No? If m1 is very big, x1 should be smaller. x1 is smaller only. Understood? No? So that is what we understood with the help of mass moments. If mass is a bigger body, center of mass will be closer to that body. Understood, Nama? Come on, make a note up to here. Okay. So already we have written about this one, no? Center of mass will be closer to heavier mass. Here we have proved that one. Okay. Okay. So see this question. So in a two particle system, 6 kg and 8 kg body, they are separated by some distance. So from 8 kg body, center of mass is at a distance of 2 meters. Then find the distance of 6 kg from 8 kg. That is distance between 6 kg and 8 kg we are supposed to calculate. Let us draw the diagram first of all. So consider this is 6 kg and consider this is 8 kg body. So this is a two particle system, Nama. So where center of mass will be? Center of mass will be definitely on the line which is joining these two masses. Understood? No? And definitely it will be closer to heavier body. It will be closer to 8 kg body. So let us consider this distance is x1 and consider this distance is x2. One distance is already given, no? What is the distance? From 8 kg body, center of mass is a distance of 2 meters. So x1 is equal to 2 meters. Okay. Then can't I find out x2, ma? How can I calculate? m1 x1 is equal to m2 x2. Sum of mass moments should be 0, or mass moment of first body is equal to mass moment of second body in scalar form. Okay. So if you want to write in vector form, I can write m1 x1 dash plus m2 x2 dash is equals to 0. That's all now. So you take 8 kg body and its distance is plus 2. Clear now? Mass of second body 6 kg and its distance is, I don't know, so let it be x2. So total should be how much? 0. Understood now? So therefore 6x2 is equals to minus of 8 into 2. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. Clear now? So therefore x2 value is minus 8 by 3 meters. Understood now? Why I got negative answer? Ma? Because this distance is always negative. No? It means if one distance is positive, 2 is positive, it means 6 kg mass is present on the opposite side, on the other side. So that is why I got negative answer. Okay. Then what is the total distance between 8 kg and 6 kg? This is 2, this is 8 by 3. 2 plus 8 by 3. That's all. So therefore, distance between 6 and 8 is how much? 2 plus 8 by 3. So how much? 6 plus 8, 14. 14 by 3 meters. That is our answer. Is it clear how we have calculated? General method also you can use. X center of mass is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2. It will take a long time. Just use the concept of mass moments. Understood now? This is by solving with the help of vector method. If you want to solve by scalar method, how can you do? Scalar form, how can you do? Ma? Just mass moment of first body is equal to mass moment of second body. So you can write m1 x1 is equals to m2 x2. Here you will not get any directions. Here you will get directions. Understood now? Because minus indicates that second body is present on opposite direction. No? So here you will get directions also. But here you should understand the directions. Clear? No? So mass of first body 8 kg. Distance is 2 meters. Mass of second body 6 kg. Distance I don't know. So x2 is equals to 8 by 3. Okay? But it is present on which side that you don't know. Just you will get the answer. That's it. Understood? No? So that is the advantage of writing in vector form. And that is the disadvantage of writing in scalar form. Here you don't get directions. Here you will get the directions. Clear? Very simple.